The MSC is an international organization that has a fishery standard and a chain of custody standard. Our mission and our vision statement is about using the MSC eco-label and our fishery certification program as a means to promote and reward sustainable fishing globally. The fishery standard is where fisheries can voluntarily enter into assessment against the MSC, and the chain of custody standard is our traceability arm, so that ensures that from boat to plate, that fish are independently assessed and certified along each link in the supply chain. So fisheries are independently assessed by a third-party accredited certifier and a team of scientific experts that have experience in fishery science, fishery management, and so forth. And so they are the group that actually assesses and certifies a fishery. MSC does not assess or certify fisheries. We maintain, we own the standards by which fisheries and chain of custody companies, supply companies, processors, retailers are assessed. And we also work with our stakeholders to ensure that fishing is completed in a sustainable manner and that there's seafood available for future generations. Along the west coast of the United States, we have the Oregon and Washington pink shrimp fishery, and we have a Pacific hake fishery or a whiting fishery. And then we have the West Coast groundfish fishery, and that is a suite of 19 different species that have met the MSC standard. They were first certified in 2014. They were reassessed and recertified in 2019. You have either rockfish or flatfish that are certified, and there's also the long-nosed skate and a couple other species that are part of that mix as well. As Americans, I think seafood consumption is not as high as any of us would like it to be. I mean, it's a healthy protein. We should be eating more of it. But I think some folks just don't know how to cook seafood. They don't know how to buy it first and foremost. They don't know what it is, and it has this perception of being expensive. And so what if I don't cook it right, then I've just wasted whatever, X number of dollars. So we need to get over that hump to get people to eat. But then to move them into the realm of rockfish and the good, healthy, sustainable fisheries off the West Coast. With our label on package or on product, we want consumers to see that and not think anymore about purchasing. Just buy that because you know it comes from a source that has met an independent standard, it's scientifically rigorous, and it's sustainable.